Hi everyone, welcome back to Kanen Coffee, and here we have a DeLonghi Prima S Deluxe. And this machine was brought in because the customer said it would not make coffee. So we found just needed a tune-up, replacing the brew group inside the infuser, decleaning the machine, descaling, replacing the gaskets that are involved in the brewing process, and lubricating the moving parts. And now it's working, so we'll test it. Make a little coffee. Looking good. Alright, there you have it. DeLonghi Prima S Deluxe functioning once again. Thanks for tuning in to Kanen Coffee. Please like our videos, and if you like our videos, please subscribe to our channel.